Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to understand some ES10 feature. ES10 also called ES2019. Okay, so some latest feature got introduced in the ES2019. There are not many features introduced in ES2019. Only a handful features were introduced in the ES 2019. So let's see features one by one. Okay. So the first feature introduced, that is called flat. Okay. So flat method basically used to flatten the array. Okay. So what do you mean by flatten the array? Let's understand with the example. Okay. So suppose I have one array. So suppose array 1. Okay, and you can use something. So you can see that there is no difference. Okay, it's return the same result. Okay, so now let's assume we have another array. Okay, so now we have something like this. Okay, and I will rename this one, and I will just copy. uh, And I'll paste it. Okay, so now you can see this array got flattened. Okay, so this is the flat method actually, which is introduced in the ES 2019. We will see some more example of flat. Okay, now suppose now we have an array here, some complex, okay, nesting array. Okay, so let's assume. Okay, so this is a nesting array. Okay, so let's see how it behaves. Now you can see this way it didn't flatten the array completely. Okay, so it flat only one level. Okay, so in the flat method we can pass some value here. Okay, to tell how many layers to be flatted. Okay, basically if you don't provide any value, it's assumed like one. Okay, so you don't need to provide one value. You can also do like this. It will basically it will assume that it has value 1. Okay, so but if you don't know, like sometimes we might have a complex nested array. So here what you can do, you can pass a nested um, sorry, you can pass a random value. Okay, so you can pass like now. So you can see now the array got completely flattened. Okay, this is the another example of flat method. Now we will see one more example. So one more example we are going to see, that is suppose we have array and we are giving some value, Alice, Bob, and we have some commas. Okay, now after that we have values. So you can do something like this also. So we are able to remove this unnecessary comma from the array. Okay, so this is also another example of flat method. Okay, now the next feature introduced by ES 2019, that is called flat map. Okay, so flat map basically method return a new array form by applying a given callback function to each element of the array and then flattening the result by one level. So flat map means basically first it will apply a map followed by a flat, okay, of depth 1. Okay, so it it perform a two operation. First it will perform map, then it will perform the flat. Okay, so let's see one example. Okay, so suppose we have a user, let's say. Okay, so okay, so let's not let's say another error, and we have some name here like Alice, Bob, James, Harry. Suppose we have Jen, Mary. Okay, so we have something like this array. Okay, and we want suppose we want James to be the neighbor of all these array items. Okay, so basically what I wanted to do, array 5 flat map. So item equal to item plus. So I want James to be the neighbor of each array. Okay, each individual array item. So if we do something like this, so you can see that James is now become the neighbor of all this array. Okay, so this is the one example of flat map. Okay, so another features which got introduced by ES 2019 or ES 10, that is called ring start. Okay, so what is mean by ring start? Okay, so let's see ring start. What is, so suppose we have email, and if we have a space, okay, we have a lot of space at the beginning. So and we have now email, something like this. So you can actually, in order to remove the space from the beginning, you can do a ring start. Okay, so this feature was basically introduced in the ES 10, okay, or 2019. So you look, we are able to remove the space, white space from the beginning. Likewise, we have the trim end also. So let's suppose we have another email, have space at the end. Okay, so let's say this is the email one, and that will trim end. Look, we are able to remove the white spaces, that is from the end. Okay, so this another two feature introduced, like trim start and trim end. Okay, now the next feature that I will talk about, from entries. Okay, so from entries basically transform a list of key value pair into an object. So what does it mean by? Let's see one example. Let's user equal to suppose Tom have age 53, Jane age of 30, James let's see 35. Okay, const object dot from entries. Okay, you can see we are able to convert this key value pair into a object basically. So it's basically form a object with the help of from entry. Okay, and in order to convert back into this format, you can also use like object dot entry something. This feature were introduced, I think, not this way. Sorry, object is equal to object dot entries obj1. Okay, so this way you can convert back into this form. Okay, okay, so this object dot entry came into ES 2018. Okay, and this is belong to ES 2019. From entry introduced in the ES 2019. Okay, so this is the another uh, features introduced in ES 2019. Let's see one more features. So ES in ES 2019, they basically in track hash block they uh, did some modification. So let's assume we have one try cache and 4 5. Okay, and if there is any error, let's assume like you did something wrong, some message. Okay, something wrong. So they basically kind of did some modification in the right hash block. So what is try something wrong? Okay, 1 second. Okay, so what they did, uh, modifications like, um, I'll, I'll, I'll tell you. Okay, so earlier we used to pass a error here. Okay, and we print the error. Okay, like this way. So we used to do this earlier. Okay, so now in year 2019 it doesn't force you to do this way. Okay, so you can avoid this one also, and you can print your own message. So let's assume, sorry, suppose we have something like true. Okay, so we are getting this value. Okay, now if you give something like this bound, now we are getting the error. Okay, sorry. Now the message is also getting print, and this is also getting printed like Bob is not defined. Okay, so in ES29 it doesn't force you to pass this error whenever whenever try failed with the error. Okay, because generally if the code has failed in the try, we pass the error in the hash block. Now it is not mandatory in year 2019. Okay, so this is all the features were introduced by ES 2019 or ES 10. So I hope you learned some very important features from ES 2019, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.